control panel, the thermostat is currently disconnected. There's a Nest thermostat in the back that would control it. Right now, everything is off. This still has power. And if you move around back. Here are two contactors which are wired to the Y and G terminals for the blower. Oh no, it's Y. And the compressor and condenser fan. So they're connected to that, and they're also hooked into the wall. They're power terminals, not their pull-in terminals. And then the compressor would compress it, make this hot, and then the liquid comes out here and then expands into liquid vapor, the fixed surface metering device, and then it will later evaporate and then get pulled back through in the suction line down back into the compressor. And here's the capacitor for running it. That creates a phase shift. And since this motor over here, come back over, there's a blower fan here, and then there's the condenser fan, which is an old, which is still an old microwave, and it's a shaded pole motor, so it doesn't have a capacitor.
Do you want to power on?
It'll go into purge mode, and that thermostat takes a long time to change its thing, so I'm not gonna wait for that. Hope it's off. That made my computer come on. And if I gave it a call for just fan, or remove the call for heating, then it would stop. And as you can see, the contactors are pulled in.